The scorpion stretch is a stretch that's focused on the upper body into the hip flexors and lower and upper leg. You're going to start by laying down on the floor, putting your arms out to the side like a cross, trying to keep your arms down on the ground as much as possible. You're going to take one leg. So if I take my left leg, I'm going to take it over the back side of my body and bring my foot up and try to touch my right arm. Okay? Same thing on the other side. Left leg, right leg, try to bring it back and touch the left arm and back over again. Where you're going to focus is when you lift that leg and pull back, you want to feel it coming through like your chest all the way down through the hip flexors into the quads as you pull that leg back. All right, so it's an upper body and lower like hip and hip flexor stretch. Up and over, back down. Up and over, and back down. What you don't want to do is let your whole body come over like this. You're not getting anything out of that. Try and keep this arm out as much as possible. Lift that leg and pull it back here as much as you can. Okay, it doesn't take a lot. You don't got to push too hard. Usually this is a dynamic stretch where you're going back and forth from leg to leg. You don't need to go and try to hold it for 30 seconds. Try to keep moving. It's a great warm-up exercise.